If you're a customer who needs precision machining, you have found your source because we're very good at what we do. We make good quality parts. Customer service is the best.
We're very diverse. The kind of work that we do, the size of the work that we do, and the number of materials we do the work in. Hi, I'm Bryce Jewett. I'm president of Jewett Machine Manufacturing in Richmond, Virginia, and we are a full-service precision machine shop.
We do turned parts, milled parts, ground parts. We make parts ranging from small sizes done on Swiss screw machining all the way up to large parts.
To 60 inches in diameter for rather large parts for automotive and off-road applications. Our milling, 4 and 5 axis, horizontal and vertical milling of all kinds, and just a full range of grinding to support the turning operations as well as surface grinding.
We run quantities from prototypes to large volumes.
That's one of the sort of special things about our shop. We have it physically divided into low volume work and high volume work. So there's a shop within a shop that does prototype and low volume, and then a production shop.
We have been in business for 56 years.
We're very good at tailoring the part to the proper machine to ensure that the specs are met and we are productive and competitive in the marketplace.
Certifications, we have just completed another ISO audit with flying colors.
We feel the key to effectively machining, casting, and forging is the fixturing, tooling, and processing.
Our owner is a veteran, and we have become certified as a veteran-owned company. We are all U.S. made.
We design and build all of our own fixtures for our CNC operations, and we have very good people to design those, and we have 3 full-time inspectors to ensure that our products meet specifications. To say that we work in everything is pretty accurate, I guess. We work in everything from aluminum, all types of alloy steels, stainlesses, high-temperature stainlesses, and all types of plastics and composites. We really cover the gamut of materials. We have a sister company, Jewett Automation, that is an outgrowth of Jewett Machine, and their business is to design and build custom factory automation systems, including robotic systems, systems that incorporate vision. Their sweet spot is assembly, but they also do packaging, materials handling, inspection systems of all kinds. Any kind of custom factory automation. This is a part that goes in an Israeli tank. This is a heat sink that goes into a computer, a military hardened computer that you can drop out of a helicopter and not break. This particular large part, the reason we bring it is because it's completely hollow on the back. It's made of aluminum and you can pick it up with one finger. But this part goes in a machine that forms the dome for the applicator for a tampon. It basically does it at 860 parts a minute. A lot of people say, I'm surprised that you could machine all the parts, buy this thing, assemble it for us, and give it to us as a turnkey assembly. That's another thing that we can do that a lot of shops in our business don't do. We emphasize 3 things: a quality product at a competitive price, delivered on time. We look forward to working with you and fulfilling your precision machining needs.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.